This is Lawrence Wilson for the Artificial Intelligence Academy here in Silicon Valley. And I'd like to welcome all of you software developers and engineers that are interested in or involved in the artificial intelligence and machine learning arena worldwide. This particular training program called Machine Learning with PyTorch includes over 6 hours of video-based training in machine learning and deep neural networks using PyTorch language. Now, some of the key objectives include understanding machine learning and deep learning from a PyTorch perspective, as well as understanding how you can use the vast PyTorch programming libraries to accomplish your programming goals and ends. The program consists of 5 core training modules. Let me briefly share them with you. First, comparing several libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, as well as using images with PyTorch, and SkyIT library. Second, understanding PyTorch and all of its components, including NumPy, neural networks, as well as torch.in. Next up would be understanding tasks with networks from a PyTorch perspective. Examples here would be using feature classifiers in PyTorch, regression prediction, as well as generating adversarial networks, and finally, speech triggers. And finally, in Module 5, you will be involved in enhancing an image classifier. Now, image classifiers are critical, as you know, to PyTorch, and this will include using basic torch.learn models, as well as predetermined models, and finally, modifying neural layers. So combined, this program is 6 packed hours of training that is going to really boost and enhance your skill set when it comes to AI, machine learning, using PyTorch. So to learn more, simply click on the link below our video. Our website, as always, has the full course curriculum, all the details about the program, how it can benefit your career, how you can register today and begin creating those new skills which will open up new professional and income opportunities for you. This is Lawrence Wilson for Artificial Intelligence Academy signing off. As always, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.